I have just watched the first episode and it was better than I thought it would be. Some things could have been better, like some of the story have been changed a lot. थोड़ी story बहुत ज़्यादा change हो गई. जैसे Luffy did not meet the barkeep. He did not get into the depth of it. I felt like he could have done a few things better, like the fight scenes. I wish it was only Zoro and Sanji, or the other guys, like mainly Zoro and Sanji. Even if the other Nami and Usopp was involved, I liked Usopp throughout the episode. Smoker was really good. Dragon was good. Sabo is here. That's something new. And I knew in a recent interview that Oda said that Bartolomeo was on lockdown when Luffy and Buggy thing happened. Basically, the first episode happened, so he's really included in this episode. Uh, yeah, it's good, man. It's good episode. Second episode, and it was mid for me. They've ruined a few things. I mean, ruined. But I didn't like that. The comedy gag between Crocus and Sanji and Zoro, that was hilarious. I loved that. Crocus being inside Laboon already, I wanted that to be like that. I liked the Rambar Pirates inclusion. Brook was clearly shown. I liked. It's a bit too friendly. One Piece is friendly, but not like this friendly. Like it's a different type of friendly. Like they are like motivating each other, like in a weird human way. Like do it in an anime way, because it's an anime adaptation, obviously. It was mid episode week. But I liked a few things. I liked that Smoker and Garp interacted. I liked the reaction of Garp when he found out about Dragon. And this confirms one more theory that Garp's wife was from Amazon lady. क्योंकि गार्प तो ब्रिटिश है clearly, और ड्रैगन इज अफ्रीकन या अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन या अफ्रीकन वाइट, लाइक मिक्स रेस दिख रहा ड्रैगन. तो दिस क्लियरली मीन्स हिज गार्प्स वाइफ इज फ्रॉम अमेज़न लिली, क्योंकि उसका फेस, ड्रैगन के फेस पे भी थोड़े ट्राइबल टैटूज वो रहते हैं ऑब्वियसली. एनिमे में थियरी थी हमेशा, बट क्योंकि एनिमे में वॉइस एक्टर्स सब सेम रहते हैं, यहाँ पे एक्टर्स अलग अलग है तो एक्सेंट्स भी अलग अलग रहेंगे. तो दिस क्लियरली इन अ वे confirms that theory. And anything more? Let me think. And I don't think they are rushing through things, but they should just a tad bit slow down. You're not rushing, that this is the right pace, but just slow down a bit. We One Piece fan don't like rush things, क्योंकि अपने को आदत हो गई अब एक एपिसोड में एक चैप्टर कवर होने की. यहाँ पे एक एपिसोड में लगभग लाइक आई डोंट नो 10 चैप्टर्स ऐसा कुछ कवर हो रही, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट ऐसे ही दिख रहा मेरे को. बट ऑल राइट भाई, थोड़ा स्लो डाउन, थोड़ा कैरेक्टर इंटरेक्शंस और बताइए. इट्स फन. थोड़ा कॉमिक एक्यूरेट डायलॉग्स रखिए. इट विल बी ग्रेट. इट वॉज अ मिड एपिसोड, बट नाउ दैट आई एम एंड ऑफ दिस रिकॉर्डिंग, yeah भाई, it's a 7 on 10 episode. Last वाला 8 on 10 था, this was 7 on 10. Yeah, 6.5 on 10. Thank you. I've just finished episode 3 and oh my god, they ruined so many things. Why? Why did you do this? You ruined Whiskey Peak for everybody. This might be the worst episode of the live action I've ever watched. Yet, I will watch episode 4 and the rest of them. But oh my god, is this bad? You ruined the fight scene, you've ruined Zoro scenes, you've ruined Sanji and Usopp for me. Sanji does not have eyes for anybody other than the woman on ship, okay? He's not a womanizer, he respects women. And Usopp has a girlfriend, alright, in the live action. That's confirmed, so what are you doing over there? And Nami's fighting Mr. Fi, and like Miss Valentine is, oh my god, it's just so weird. Luffy's not fighting Zoro. Whiskey Peak was something else. Whiskey Peak was an amazing arc, because we saw Zoro versus Luffy, we saw angry Luffy, we saw like the terrifying fear on Mr. Fi and Miss Valentine's when they saw how strong Luffy and Zoro were. Oh my god, bro. What was this episode? You ruined Zoro's scene where he assaults. Like, one of the thing is, live action Zoro is not escaping the rumors or the accusations. Most of the guys he fought were colored and black and brown. I think he fought like 10 white guys, and rest of all of them were black or brown, especially women. I think there were two white women, and rest of them was Asian or brown. But oh my god, why did you do that? Why did you ruin Zoro's fight scene? It was going so good. I was so happy. Like amazing fighting, amazing action. Then why didn't he grip her head? Why didn't he grip her head? Oh my god. Why? Like just grip her head on like on the side of a 3-story building, if you understand what I'm saying. You can do that. Come on, that's just one scene. Just you gotta zoom into Zoro's face. That's all you've been doing all season till now. Zooming into the character's face too close. Do that. Oh my god, you ruined the Zoro fight scene, Zoro Luffy fight scene. Oh my god, that was so amazing. So, like, relatively for the anime people, that was the arc when we understood that Zoro right now was stronger than Luffy, or they were truly equals. And from that, we understood how strong Luffy grew. Like, that was a checkpoint. You ruined that. Alright, you ruined that. Like, 3 out of 10. 3 points just because this fight scene was amazing. That's it. I have just watched episode 4 and 5 combined, and Little Garden. Basically, this arc was combined into 2 episodes, and I liked it a lot, but I hated it. A few things that they ruined the Sanji and Zoro moments. They are ruining a few moments a lot, key moments, especially related to Sanji and Zoro. The comedic, the funny, the thing that builds up their rivalry. They are ruining it. It happened with Crocus. It happened now with the dinosaurs. In the anime they compete to see which dinosaur is bigger, and it was like a prequel to show us that Dory and Brogy had the same thing. But right now, I'm mixed feeling about these 2 episodes. I really liked the way fights carried out. I know the animation, the VFX was alright. It was not great. I thought it should have been like Jurassic Park level, but it wasn't. I think that takes too much money. But you're alright, but 40 minutes episode, out of which like 10 minutes, like, yeah, it was good. The Giants were good. I liked like both of them really good. But a few of the dialogues that build the Giants up were taken when they did Hokuku Sovereignty, and like before that in the anime and the manga they do like a chant type thing or explain what the attack that can break everything except the serpent soaked in blood. They took that away, but it's alright. I don't think that's going to hurt, cause I don't think the live action is going to elbaf, but it could, because right now AI is a big part of the world, and especially in the coming years maybe VFX and animation will become very easy using AI. It is right now. People are making 10-second videos, but who knows, they can make like 40-minute videos in a couple of months. Like instead of a team of 10 people can make a 40 to 50-minute episode in a couple of months, rather than it taking almost a year for a single team. So yeah, man, this excites me. This actually tells me that there is a chance we can get one live action season per year in the upcoming years, maybe, and let's hope that they stick to the manga, man. Please stick to the manga. You're ruining too many things. I have just finished watching episode 6, and why is this anime live action adaptation taking away the things that make the anime and manga good, great, excellent? Why are you doing this? The little bits that make this a literal crew. जैसे अपन रोमालियन में एंटर करते एक bear आता, a really big polar bear that stands on 2 legs, like a type of bear, a white bear basically, and what the Drum Kingdom people do is salute. That it was a big plot in the anime. Then a big lady comes and Usopp and Luffy bows to even that lady, thinking it's a bear. It's a funny bit. It's a side bit. That makes the story good. But I've been complaining a lot. I like this episode. I have liked this episode, and I think it's 8 out of 10 episodes. I really like Chopper. The VFX is good. Obviously, they had to do the VFX great here. The VFX is great. Dr. Reen, I feel like Sanji did not call her an old hag and get kicked. I think he should have. Maybe like I don't know why it feels so cheesy. If you get me, I don't know why. Like I don't remember One Piece feeling this cheesy. It's been some time since I've started watching One Piece, and I have watched a lot of One Piece. I've watched 2 times, rewatched One Piece completely 2 times, and watched till Fishman Island the third time, and then got bored. That's why I hate Fishman Island arc. But and I've read through the manga at least 200, 300 chapters, and I've watched the movies, and I make videos on it, so I know what One Piece feels like. It's not this. It feels like too cheesy live action. I don't like that. But okay, there's a take from the director, I guess. Another take on the story from the director. He's leaning too much into the friendship. One Piece is about individuals also. It's a good mix. It's about friendship, it's about individuals. And it's a good mix between the both. I think it should stay that way. It's leaning too much into friendship for me. It is becoming Datteba on Naruto Uzumaki. I will save everybody. These are everybody my friend. Talk no Jutsu. It's happening, and the action is pretty good. I like the action. I like the characters. I like the big scaled things because One Piece has weird body proportions. I have not seen Dayton's in and out Dayton. His devil fruit yet, bison fruit if I'm not wrong. We'll see. Blackbeard mentioned. I was hoping to see like a silhouette of Blackbeard at least, but no. Next arc we will see Wapol, and in the starting of this episode they did not meet Wapol. In the anime, Luffy meets Wapol and beats Wapol. That's why he is not in the Drum Kingdom. But here he ran away because of Blackbeard, and he will return, and Luffy will beat his ass later. Okay, it was a good episode, boy. 8 later. 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Alright, I've just watched episode 7 and finally a perfect episode, 9.3 out of 10. Perfect. I am taking 0.7 because, rather, let's say I give it a 9.5. It cannot be a 10 because, come on, it cannot. But oh my god, perfect episode finally. It was manga accurate almost every single frame. A good episode. I'm a bit sleepy now, but I'll watch the last episode. Fantastic. Like I cannot say they did here right. He was one of my favorite characters. Smira, not kidding. When does a person die is like one of my favorite quotes ever. If I ever get become a big YouTuber or a big personality, I will definitely be quoting that quote anywhere I can. When does a person die? When he's forgotten. Yeah, baby. And they did Chopper so good. And I think people are going to hate his human form. The big monster form, I don't think it's big enough. It should be bigger. But I believe people are going to hate it because it's too furry. But come on, man. The people of Drum Kingdom hate his human form because it's too big and scary. That is ugly and scary. That is what it's supposed to be. So yeah, come on, you cannot hate on that. But I didn't like he didn't go Monster Point. He should have gone Monster Point. I don't think they have the budget for it right now. What else? A fantastic episode. What a fantastic episode. I just want to say that. Okay, this was the last episode in sleep. I've just finished watching episode 9. And after a perfect episode, they are back to what they were doing before, not being manga accurate, not being accurate enough, not being better. If you're not accurate, you have to be better. You were not. Why was the first of all? Why was the Luffy versus Wapol fight indoors? Why was Vivi involved? I don't remember Vivi being involved in the main like anime story or the manga. And why wasn't Chopper's more form showed? Come on, you have the budget. Come on, budget तो है. ये मजाक मत करो मेरे को budget नहीं है बल्कि did you get lazy or something? I don't know. But you do have the budget. It's Netflix and it's One Piece. So the world knows you have budget. Don't like come on. वो मामले में आप मजाक नहीं कर सकते. You cannot hold back on that sense. Nobody can. It's One Piece. It's going to earn profit. It's going to earn money. It's Netflix. They are going to spend money. So I don't know where the money went, but I don't know why the fight was indoors. Few of the scenes that were in the anime where Luffy holds the flag, where the emergency food joke with Chopper, it was not done again with the jokes, with the simple little joke that takes a few seconds. They did not do that this whole season. I wanted them to do that. They didn't do that. That's the essence of One Piece for me. The funny banter between the whole crew. They didn't do a bit of that. I didn't like that. Absolutely hated that. Like the word didn't like it's too generous. I hated it. That's the right word. Like really, man, I'm pissed about that. That's the essence of One Piece, as I said, for me. But okay, like there were good things. Episode 8 was perfect. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. You could have shown Chopper's moon points, like monster point, jump point, like other points, everything else. Uh, Chopper was done right. He was a bit furry in this human form. He should have been a big, more like somewhat bigger, and I had the like I don't remember correctly because it's been some time since Chopper's been useful in the main story right now. But I think his human form does not have hair near his abdomen, near his abs. So yeah, I could have like been a bit better design, but it's fine, man. It's just a human hitting on a creature that looks like a mix of a human and a reindeer standing up. So yeah, I'm like the people of Drum Island, I guess. But what could we say about it? I liked it. I liked One Piece. Like One Piece is just a good story. For first time watcher, this is amazing. For first time watcher, this is amazing. But for a geek who has watched too much One Piece, that like more than he should have, like I probably like numbered my days watching the One Piece without taking breath. I think I'm a bit more blind. My specs number has increased since watching One Piece because I binge watched it too much. Okay, what else? What else? Mm, Again, the scene with Zoro swimming in the ice, that's gone. The comedy scene of everybody looking at the Wapol's army's furry coats, and like the funny bits, man. Again, funny bits. That's gone. I don't like that Vivi was involved with Wapol. I liked the flashback of the reverie. I liked like the few of the things mentioned. Crocodile was awesome. Nico Robin is one of the best casting alongside Luffy and Sanji and Zoro and Usopp. Usopp is amazing casting. Nami is an alright casting, but the actor is good. The casting is not perfect, but the actor is good, so she makes the character perfect. The rest of the guys, they are perfect casting, of like above average acting. And Crocodile was awesome, man. Crocodile was looking good. Like he's the dude from Barry Allen. Barry Allen, no, was Flash. He's Flash from Spider-Man. So yeah, that's good. Nico Robin, perfect casting. That looks like when she talks and there's a dialogue that feels like Robin. When Vivi does it, that does not feel like Vivi is not like that. And now, is Nefertari D. Lily, the from the Void Century, is she black? I have a few questions, but okay, let's this stay at the review. It was a, I would say, 7.3 out of 10 season for me. Specifically, episode 8 was 9.5, and the whole season, as I said, 7.3 out of 10. It was not the perfect, it was not great, it was good, like between good and great. It was fun, and for the first time watcher, it is definitely an 8 or 8.3 or 8.4. But for me, who is a geek, 7.3 out of 10. It was a good season. Hopefully, we do not have to wait 2 years for another. Let's see, within a year, season 3 comes and we explore Alabasta. And without any severe cuts in the comedy part and the fighting part. I feel like they're gonna ruin Alabasta for some reason. There's so many fighting in the funny scenes. The scorpion, like the monster chasing them in the desert, the camel, so many things. The ducks, Luffy fishing with the duck, Luffy and Zoro fishing with the duck. It's so many scenes, man. They're gonna ruin it. I believe it. Okay, let's just hope for the betterment, and let's hope the anime starts again. It's been some time. Let's just say it's the right time for the anime to start and pick things up back again. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next episode in the next video. Till then, peace.